first to cover breaking news with Kristen Bean and Alex Elich. And your accurate first alert weather forecast with meteorologist Ed Russo. You're watching WSBT-22 First in the Morning, Saturday.
New research finds African-American men have the highest mortality rate of any group in Indiana. But an event happening today in our area aims to educate those men about the disease putting them at risk. I'm joined this morning by Carl Nichols and Jacob Hughes. You guys have put tons of hours into making this event happen. 7 barbershops across our area are going to be really providing a lot of this education. So tell us a little bit about today's event.
Well, historically, the Black Barbershop has been one of those places where African-American males can come and be comfortable with talking to each other and connecting one to another. We felt that we wanted to bring health services to the barbershop so we can create dialogue and find out the needs of those particular males. We know that African-American males don't like to talk to one another. We don't like to really speak, but in the barbershop, we feel comfortable. So that is the real point of the Black Barbershop Initiative, to get them the health services that they need, as well as to create a dialogue to see what steps that the community can take to bring this particular population to another level of health, because there's a disparity there.
And this is happening across the state.
Absolutely.
Yes, several communities across the state are
So people at home too, I mean, what are your best pieces of advice for people at home? What should people know about
I think people who have any type of concern that they may not want to go to the doctor about, this is an easy conversation at the barbershop. Have this conversation about their health. We educate the barbers as well on what to look for in those conversations. So with that happening, they can say, okay, well, you may want to look at this, we want to look at that. So we also have materials at each of the shops to show where they can go for insurance, where they can go for clinics, how they can get connected to a medical home as well.
Great, and we of course have all of that information up on your screen coming up there. We've got 7 different shops across South Bend alone today.
Absolutely.
And that's from 9 to 3 today. And then we also have all the addresses there on your screen. They're participating barbershops. And also, you guys, you have several other events coming up throughout the month, and you've got your Facebook page, your website that are, you've got all that information on there.
So Community Wellness Partners was formerly known as the Minority Health Coalition. It's the same mission with a new name, but we're celebrating 20 years of service to the community this year. And so we're having several events to kind of get the word out about our organization, as well as help to eliminate those health disparities.
Well, guys, thanks for joining us this morning.
Thank you so much.